Welcome to the Valar channel. Today I'll show how to recover deleted Instagram chats. Open Instagram, tap the three lines, hit your activity, scroll down, and tap download your information. Select your profile. Oops. Please wait. Tap download your information. Now we just wait. There. Choose to download or transfer your data. We need the messages. Monetization, media, messages. Here. Select all options here and you can choose other items too. Click Next. We mainly want to download SMS to our device. Choose the time period for the messages you need. Okay, you can select all time and tap Create Files. You'll get a notification to download your chat history. That's all for now. Bye everyone.